In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this Xiaomi. First of all, you need to tap on Calendar app. Then pick a date by clicking on the chosen one. After that, create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now you can edit it however you wish to. At the top, add a title. Then click on From, select Starting Hour and choose OK to save your changes. You can do exactly the same with ending one and ending date. If you want to disable this feature completely, tap on this switcher next to All Day. To change ending date though, you need to tap on the same section and bring it back to the original one. Then click on OK. Now click on Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. If you don't, click on One Time Event. Now tap on Reminders. Set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event and go back. You can also tap on No Reminders to disable this feature completely. Finally, click on Account and pick one of your email addresses or one of those sections, in my case, Local Calendar. Now you can add location, take some notes, and finally save your event by tapping on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to make some changes, click on it, tap on Edit at the bottom next to Bin, and change wherever you wish to. You can always discard those changes by choosing this X at the top left corner, or save them by tapping on the check mark at the top right one. In order to get rid of your event though, click on it again, but this time select this bin icon at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!